The viruses being studied in the labs of this Raleigh startup company aren't your usual run-of-the-mill viruses.
These viruses are pretty unique in the virus world in that they can grow in two phylogenetically different hosts, insects and mammals.
And that means mosquitoes and humans. And mosquitoes can transmit the virus to people through a single bite. There are about 200 mosquito-borne viruses.
It doesn't take too much for that to spread. One mosquito bites someone else, is bitten by two other mosquitoes, and so on and so on. So it's sort of a cascade effect.
The illnesses spread by two of those viruses, dengue fever and chikungunya, have devastated developing countries. Both viruses cause debilitating flu-like symptoms. Dengue fever can be fatal. Now, as this map shows, reported cases of those diseases are spreading rapidly around the world. No country is immune. Dengue fever is shown in yellow. Chikungunya is shown in red. Health officials say almost 3 billion people, almost 40% of the world's population, is at risk, and there are no vaccines that offer protections. Until now. Researchers at Arbavax say they have discovered a vaccine. By studying the virus's DNA, researchers found several important elements required by the cell to replicate. By removing those parts of the genome, scientists interrupt the life cycle of the virus so that it grows normally in the mosquito, but it can't grow in a person. And that mutated virus can be used as a vaccine.
So the vaccine is actually a virus that's been modified to grow normally in the insect cell but is severely attenuated in the mammalian cell. It's a very elegant, relatively simple concept. It's a very powerful concept because it seems to work across all the arbovirus species.
The technology for the vaccine comes out of NC State, and it couldn't come at a better time. While you only need one mosquito to bite one person one time to give them the disease, if that person is then bitten by several mosquitoes, the disease can spread pretty quickly. And as more and more people travel the world, what was once a problem of the developing world can now be found everywhere.
It's a high anxiety sort of thing. We are on the verge of doing something out of basic science that has real medical relevance.
The NC State scientists who helped develop the technology have spent their careers researching viruses. And like many groundbreaking scientific discoveries, the concept for the vaccine stemmed from a radical idea, balanced by years of experience.
The hypothesis being that these viruses were originally insect viruses, which expanded their host range to include vertebrates. And so the idea was that as they developed over millions of years to grow in these vertebrate hosts, they acquired certain genetic elements that were necessary for them to replicate in that host. So our strategy was to identify those elements and remove them. And as we removed them, what we did was we reverted the virus back to being an insect virus again.
You have a hypothesis, and your hypothesis turns out to be correct, and they're immunogenic, first in mice, then in monkeys, and you just kind of see them grow up, and they are going to be a vaccine that we put into humans, so it's very exciting for me.
Arbavax has finished its development and testing of the new vaccine. The firm is now looking for financial backers to manufacture enough vaccine to begin human trials. If all goes well, a vaccine could be approved and ready for general use within about 3 years.
None of these diseases, there's no therapies for them. They're all viral diseases, so a vaccine really is the only way to go. So yes, it's very important that we develop vaccines against these diseases.